Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Mars Iris channel. Today I'm going to change my router Wi-Fi name, or they also called it as SSID, or Service Set Identifier. That is your Wi-Fi network name, okay? So I will just show you some like basic settings of how to change your router Wi-Fi name, okay? So this is my postpaid Ooredo plan. I'm paying this 25 real monthly for 250 GB data. Using this already for almost 2 years now. So right now my datas are all accumulated to like 1.4 terabytes. My network provider is Ooredo. Here in Oman, they have Omantel, Ooredo, and I think there is one still network, new network. I'm not very familiar. Okay, so this is the power indicator. This is the WPS indicator. This is the Wi-Fi indicator. This is the Ethernet indicator, and this is the signal bar indicator. Okay, now right now I have three bars. Okay, that is full bar, so it means that I have a good Wi-Fi connections. uh at the back here, I have a like a SIM card here. Without this SIM card, you cannot connect your modem to your network provider. Okay, by the way, a modem is the one who connects you to your network provider. The modem stands for modulator demodulator, and your modem connects your router, and your router connects you from your wired devices or from your wireless devices. Okay, here at the back, you can see here a small hole. This is for your reset button. This is your power line, of course. This is your Ethernet line. This one you can connect to your TV or to your laptop also, or to your other devices which uses a wired internet connections. Okay, so this is your telephone line connection. If you have telephone, you can connect this to your telephone line or a dial line. Okay, so that you can connect to in the internet also. And here, this is the power, and this is the WPS. Here you can see here your username and your password of your Wi-Fi as a default settings of your router. When you first use this router, you need to use that Wi-Fi key and that username provided by your network provider. Okay, the telephone connections, you can see sometimes there's a modem down, then the router is placed on top of the modem, so that is different. Okay, you can usually see that in the Philippines, wherein the modem is separate from the router. Okay, guys. First thing we must know is we need to know what they called IP gateway address. It depends on your network provider address that was given to you. It was written usually at the back of your router device, or at the bottom of your router device. There is a username there, the Wi-Fi key password there, and the gateway IP address. Okay. So first, that is one thing you must know, your gateway IP address. I will open my Google Chrome. Okay. I will connect my default Wi-Fi or my router Wi-Fi through a wireless connection, or you can also reconfigure your Wi-Fi using a Ethernet port. Now that we know our IP gateway IP address, we have to type it here. My IP address is usually 192.168. Just click enter, direct you to your network settings. This is my router settings. Okay, this is Ooredo. So I'm now connected. Make sure you are connected. In order to modify the settings, you need to log in first. In my case, the default settings of Ooredo usually is the username is user, and the password usually is user also. That is the first default login when you're log into to Ooredo. Okay, but there are some settings that it was already provided at the lower bottom of the router Wi-Fi. You have to check it there. Maybe the username or the password was already given there, so you need to uh, copy that username and the password in order to log in. Last time when I changed the Wi-Fi name of this one, of this my Wi-Fi router, I already changed the password, so I have to enter the new password. And now we are connected. If you can see here, there are four devices connected. Okay, go to settings. You can change your Ethernet settings also. Now only we are going to change the our wireless area network connection. So we're going to go to where WLAN basic settings. This is what I told you. The name is SSID. This is the your router Wi-Fi names, or simply your router Wi-Fi name. Okay, so it's currently the security mode. Do not touch this security mode. So last time I changed this, I was disconnected in my network. So when I called the customer service, they told me next time do not change the security mode, or because that is the like the your connection to your network provider. Any changes here that is not supported by your network provider, you will be disconnected. Okay, like for example, we're going to change this to my router Wi-Fi name. I'm going to change this to stay safe, wear mask. Okay, that is my router Wi-Fi name. Stay safe, wear mask. Okay, so here the WPA pre-shared key, you can change this. Okay, make sure you remember your WPA pre-shared key, because this is like your pass key every time you connect all your devices through a wireless network. Okay, like for example, I will just put here 1 2 3 4 5, one special character, Mars Cyrus. For example, that is my password, 1 2 3 4 5 at Mars Cyrus. Okay, apply. So it will show that your password is successfully changed. So you can now log out. So if you can see here, I was disconnected in my Wi-Fi, not connected because I changed my password. So in order to change that, so these are the current the Wi-Fi that some of my neighbors here are using. So the our router Wi-Fi name, stay safe, wear mask. Just click this one, then connect, then enter that password, 1 2 3 4 5 at Mars Cyrus. Okay, then click next. Yes. So as you can see here at the bottom, we already connected. Okay, there's already internet access. If you see this small hole at the bottom, this reset button, just insert like pin in this small button and press it for like 3 to 5 seconds, or the most is 5 seconds. Then after that, it will reset your router settings into default settings. And so that's it for today, guys. See you in my next vlog, Marsiris channel. Bye bye.